What is up, YouTube and Outcome Reach family? What is up? First thing I want to say is hope everyone has had a great trading week so far. And we have a trade recap, trade of the week that we are going to go over in today's video. A great trade, good setup, easy setup, and let's get right into it. So, this week's trade recap, we are going to go over a trade I took on GBP NOK, Great British Pound, and Norwegian Krone. So here is the before setup. I always like to take screenshots of my trades, even if they are losses or wins. I always like to look back on what I did right and what I did wrong, what I can improve on, and what I notice in my trading that I am improving on, right? So here's the before setup that I had. Let's go look at this on live charts. So what I saw on, from a top-down analysis, first thing that I see is this huge bullish weekly candle, and that was my main point of interest. When I saw structure break, well, when I saw structure break right here, I don't know why this pen's acting funny. When I saw structure get broken right here, right on this, uh, there was this huge spike up and then an immediate, well, I guess not an immediate because this is a weekly time frame, but you can see in about took about a month or two maybe to get back down to these areas down here around 12.0 flat. So what I was looking for was as this was my point of interest around this area here around 269, and if we round that down to a big figure institutional number, 12.269 flat, and we go down to the 4-hour here. And one thing that I saw, you can see from the before setup, right? Price had rejected nicely off of that 269 area up here, 269, and you can see structure broke lower. So, as I always talk about in my videos, structure is key, and a common trait or the most well-known trait that you see when you see a downtrend starting are those lower lows and lower highs, right? So your lower high points are going to be where you would want to find entries, right? Just like so. So what I saw in this setup is price rejected off of that big figure very nicely. We had a low get created here, and price did not come back above this high up here. Did not come back above this area. We actually traded lower and closed lower. So what I was looking for was just a little retest of this area to see if we can trade lower. As you can see in the before setup, right? Price broke through this structure here, traded up, giving us that lower high area, right? So lower highs in a downtrend, lower highs are your optimal trade entries, areas where you want to see trade opportunities, right? and vice versa. Just for a recap, you know, an uptrend like so, your higher low areas like this are going to be your optimal entries for an uptrend. But you can see now price has now broken this structure here. So we do have a position holding here and now positions holding here to potentially come and break this structure down here as well. But this went a nice 100 pips around, and now it is floating from this entry here. It is floating around 70 pips around the 2029 area right here. And yeah, I would like to see this go lower, but that is the setup for the week. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. You know, any questions that you might have or want to ask, we will get back to you. We enjoy your comments and your guys' support, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Hope everyone has a good rest of their day, and peace out.